Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Energy supplies are booming in this economy, so let's find out what happens in the short run. We will solve this macroeconomics puzzle right now. Abundant new energy supplies represent a positive supply shock for the nation. This means production costs drop significantly, which immediately shifts the short-run aggregate supply curve to the right for everyone. This rightward shift results in a lower price level and higher output simultaneously. When inflation and unemployment both fall, we see a very specific movement in our economic modeling tools. In the Phillips curve model, this positive shock shifts the short-run curve left. This makes option B the final winner for this question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given facts and check your steps.